Hey, we're down at the apex predator watering hole again. I just thought I'd see if I could find any new tracks. It's beautiful here. Isn't it beautiful? It's so tranquil. There's my house. Let's see what we can find. Oh. It looks like some fresh fox prints. Raccoon coming to wash their food down by the water. Oh, look. We have badger tracks. Isn't that something? Those are badger. You know why? See, look at the long claws for digging. See how they dig into the ground? Yeah. They're pretty fearsome too. Yeah. Let's see what else. Well, we just got coyote. I guess nothing too big today.